but I'm going.
I can't see anything.
Dang, this is like crazy. Wow.
I'm glad I got this one shot.
There is like almost no visibility. Blowing like crazy. Woo!
Are we in a parking lot? Yeah. Oh, okay. You can't see this other?
No, you can't see it at all. Wow.
Look how much water's already on the ground.
We are in Cottage Hills. The parking lot is just flooded. Like within just a matter of minutes. The wind is shaking the car. Wow.
I just saw the radar. We're gonna wait here for a while.
How bad is it? Is there rotation nearby?
It's not tornado. It's just a I thought talking my friends had to walk home in this. Yeah.
And it looks like it's slowing down now. Was Mark on the road during that? Wow. The sun's coming out.
Yeah, that's not crazy.
What?
You know if that's not crazy.
We had hail coming down just a couple of seconds ago.
It just wants to do this all day. No. It's just a line that's beaming through.
Look at the damage it did to the tree over there.
They were offering some training. So did you see?
It's part of
And she shook her head no. I said, why don't you want to try and learn about the puppy? And she goes,
Look, there's a rainbow. Oh, look, Drew. I gotta take a picture.
She said, no, Dad.
Can you get it?
I was recording that whole thing.
Really
Let me take a picture.
Rainbow.
And it's ending right in the parking lot where we're at.
I did. I said, I'm not going to sit. I started moving a little bit. She said no, and she ran out of the room.
It's not raining very hard at all now. Can I get out and take a picture of it?
I don't care. Actually, no, yeah, hurry, because I'm going to go over there and go potty.
I've been a Christian all my life.
Cool.
And,